What's up everyone, welcome back to Akash Merchant Navy. How are you all? So this video I'm making is in English language because there are so many people who commented me that your videos are amazing but we do not understand because we don't know Hindi. So could you please make a session in English language? So this is for you guys. So stay tuned and watch the video. So guys, what I discussed in my last video is about that. I discussed about the Open CDC persons, Open CDC candidates, the candidates who are having the STCW certificates and an Indian CDC, which they require to go and sail. Now there are so many differences between the Indian CDC with Open CDC and GP rating CDC. The GP rating CDC you will get when you did the course for 6 months and from a DG approved colleges. So if you want to find a college, you are 10th pass, now you want a job, you want to sail in the marine world. So what you need a good college without any money, because in this field there are so many fraud people are working and they are just making, they just need someone so they can make the frauds and they will get the money from that. So that safety, you just do one thing. First of all, watch my channel because I will give all the true details about all the things. And second thing, go on the DG Shipping website. In DG Shipping website, what you will get all the details and all the colleges that are duly certified by DG Government of India. And they have so many campuses all over the India, so you can choose which is near to you, and that is safe also. You only have to make a call in the colleges and you will ask the criteria and you will check your criteria, did you fit in that criteria or not. So if you are going for the GP rating candidate, so you will get the CDC, which the rank is mentioned as a GP rating. But on the other hand, if you are having the Open CDC and STCW certificates, so there is no rank written on the CDC. Now what are the difference? What is the difference between these both CDCs? So the difference is very simple. If you have an Open CDC, you have to sail for at least 18 months to get your watchkeeping certificates, while on the other hand, if you're doing the GP rating certificates, so then you need 9 months sail to get your watchkeeping. Now what is the beneficial for the watchkeeping certificate? Why this is so important? Why this is so important to get a watchkeeping certificate? And what are the documentation that are required for it? So first of all, you need is updated seafarer profile in your DG Shipping website. So why you will need to fill that thing? Because when you are applying for Indian watchkeeping, you are going for the watchkeeping, the person over there, the in charge over there is checking the website, is checking the seafarer profile, and from that ground he will check that you have all valid sailings and documents. Next, what they will check is your passport. In your passport there should be all the stamps that when you were leaving the country and when you came back, so is that period is equal to the period which is updating on your CDC. So they will check all that, and after that they will give you the watchkeeping certificates. So seafarer profile is very important. Now how you will find the seafarer profile? Just go on your internet browser and write there seafarer profile. There you will get the username and password. So username is your Indos number and your password is Indos number, and next you will fill 1 and that is your username and your password. So you will check all that thing. Now how you will get it? You have to go through a RPSL agencies in India. Suppose if you completed your GP rating, suppose if you get the Open CDC, now how you will go to the shipping line, how you will get the money, how you will earn yourself. So for that thing you have to go through a RPSL agent in India, because they are only have the power to upload the sea surveys. Now there are so many fake agents over there, so how you will be safe from that? So you have to do one thing. You can go to DG Shipping and there you will find a column which is written as RPS agencies. In that agencies they mention which are the valid one and which are the invalid one. So you have to select the valid one. Then you will just go simply and you can talk to them and you will get your first sailing. And rest, I have a WhatsApp number, so it is 7015826690. So in case if you need a trusted guy who will giving the placement, you can contact me. I have the links which is very good and duly certified and qualified captains, and they are doing this job. So if you want to go from me, you can do that as well. Just send me your queries, just send me your passport and CDC and all PDF and your CV and resumes, and I will upload them and I will tell them. So they will select and they will do the rest thing, and they will tell you how much time it will take and what are the circumstances and what are the criteria that you can join the ship. So this is the common thing, and that's what we discussed in my all videos, all the past videos. Rest, next what we will discuss, I will definitely make again a vlog in English language, so you all will understand. Now thank you so much first of all, and if you are new to my channel, you can do subscribe, that is the down, and you can click the bell icon also, so you will never miss an update from me. So just don't worry about anything, guys. And the third step is your confidence level. In merchant navy field, your attitude, how you work toward your fellow workers, and how is your behavior over that. When you're working on the ship, there are so many people, they are your captain, your chief engineer, which have the power, and when you are signing off, they will give you the report, and in that report they will mention that this guy is do so and so work, this guy's attitude is good, this guy's English is good, this guy is very good. So in 5 marks you must have to get all 5 marks, and if not 5 marks, you will get at least 3 to 4 marks in a sign off report, so that chief engineer will give. So just try to make your attitude very good, calm, friendly. That is the main thing on the ship. Do forget about your family, do forget about your girlfriend and fiance and wife if you are coming to this field, because they are not going to help you on the vessel. You only have yourself, you only have you to entertain you. So this is the main thing. So just work accordingly and enjoy the time, because on the vessel you will get all free food, you will get the accommodation free, you will get the flight tickets free, and your whole salary is your saving. So what you will do with your salary, which is your saved salary, so we will discuss about that later in my next videos, and I will make all videos, and after that I'll make one video in English for especially for you guys. So thank you so much for watching Akash Merchant Navy, and I'm taking now sign off. So we'll see you in the next video, and take care. You have a great day. Whatever your queries, just write down downside in my comment box, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and I have another channel also, which is Akash the Indian, so you can subscribe that also. Thank you so much. Have a great day.